Hey there, this is Tia, and this video is an unboxing and a quick review of this Mivi Roam 2. So here's the box of Mivi Roam 2. This is the front side, and on back side they have mentioned some key specifications like super solid base, premium build, waterproof, 24-hour playtime and few more things. If you want, you can read this by pausing the video. And these are the two sides of the box. Now, time to open the box. Excited? So the first thing you get in this box is this, that how to avail the warranty for this product. Next is this small box. Inside this, some more paperwork. Welcome to the crew. User manual. This is something interesting. The craftsman's note. Now, let's see the main product. For now, let's keep the product aside and see what we get now. Hey, some cables. Aux cable, and a micro USB cable for charging. Let's take a look at physical overview of the speaker. This front mesh is metallic. On top side, you get 4 buttons with extra functionalities and one LED indicator. And on left side, you will get 3.5 mm jack, charging port and a mic to answer calls. And on bottom side, some rubber paddings to keep the speaker stand on. And side part is made up of hard rubber to make this speaker durable. Now let's see how to connect this with our smartphone. So press and hold this button for 1 second to turn this on, and it will automatically go to pairing mode. Now on your smartphone, turn on your Bluetooth. You will see Mivi Roam 2, tap on it. Now it's connected. Can you see this? Let me show you. Sorry for flash. Here you can see battery percentage of the speaker. If you press plus button, it will increase the volume and minus will decrease. And this is the play pause button. If you press and hold the plus button for 1 second, it will play the next song. And if you do the same for minus button, it will play the previous song. If you press this button, it will activate Google Assistant. And you can answer call using play button. It's quite difficult to show you the sound quality of this speaker. But let me tell you, it's such an impressive speaker, and sound quality is good for the price bracket of 999. It's a 5-watt speaker, but bass is very good and punchy. Battery is awesome in this speaker. In full volume, it will easily last 15 hours. It's the best speaker you can get in this price range. You will get the link in description if you want to check out this speaker. Like and subscribe for more such videos, and I will catch you in the next one.